It's 100% sure that a Band 8 IELTS writing essay is much better than a Band 6 IELTS essay. However, the difference is not only with the grammar and the vocabulary of each essay, it's about the content of the ideas and how to explain the ideas as well. So I'm going to show you two different essays that I wrote. The first essay is what I wrote within 30 minutes, and the second essay is what I fixed after writing it. If you've been practicing for the IELTS writing exam, you have probably seen this task before, and I'm going to show you a paragraph from the first essay to answer this question, if this is a positive or a negative trend. You can pause this video to read this body paragraph, or you can go to my website practicenight.co to read both essays. I have a library of selected IELTS writing samples. In this body paragraph, I have the main idea over here, and right after that I have the example. Now, reading this, you probably see that this body paragraph doesn't have very big problems with vocabulary or grammar, except for a little bit of the word down here. This word. Where is it? This word, okay? But the thing here is that this body paragraph contributes to a significant reduction of band score for this entire essay because it is not coherent. When I was writing this body paragraph, I thought that the main idea was very clear, it was obvious, so I didn't need an explanation. That was the reason I went directly for an example. Now, this can be borderline obvious, right? But still it needs some explanation. But the example here doesn't serve the purpose. It doesn't explain the main idea over here. Something is missing, a link is missing. Even though the example is quite long and quite detailed, it still doesn't work the way I intended. And this is the corrected version of this body paragraph. You can pause to read, or you can read on my website. Again, I have a library of selected IELTS writing samples. In this corrected version, I not only changed the wording a little bit, but I also explain the main idea in detail to make the main idea very, very clear before giving it an example. There are situations where you can skip the explanations, especially when the main idea is very, very clear. But in this occasion, my main idea is not clear enough. So if you're writing every body paragraph like the one that I showed you first, you're not getting better than 6 unless you have very, very good grammar and vocabulary. The key here is to make your body paragraph coherent. But yeah, I made mistakes and I learned from them. If you want to learn more about your writing and your mistakes, use my IELTS writing evaluation services or join my Everything IELTS preparation plans for unlimited support and benefits. For now, you can get free practice tests, and you can also read a lot of essays on my website practicenight.co. I'll see you there. For now, you have fun learning. Bye.